Now, I've been speaking about HTML element, HTML element, HTML element, HTML element. What is an HTML element? Now, an HTML element is what is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. Just like you see it here. Tag name will come here. So whether it is head, HTML, paragraph P, H1 for heading 1, you write your whatever you want to display here, and then you end it by bringing what? A left angle bracket, a /, and the name of the tag you entered here, and then you use a right angle bracket. Now, the HTML element is everything from start tag to the end tag. Like I explained, H1 represents the biggest header, the biggest heading. Paragraph, this is our paragraph. It says some HTML elements have no content, like the BR element, which is the line break element. We will go into it. These elements are called empty elements. So some are not having content in between it. So they are what? Empty element. They do not have end tags because they do not have any content in between it. They do not also have what? An end tag. So these are some examples. H1, P, BR. This one represents the heading H1. This one represents a paragraph, and this one has no content in between it. So therefore, it has no what? End tag.